In this question it is given that consider east as a positive x-axis, north as a positive y-axis. So east we can take it as something but our positive x-axis, and north we are taking it as something but our positive y-axis. And it is given that a girl walks 10 meter east. So first it is traveling along this direction and by a distance of 10 meter. So we can write 10 meter towards east means something but 10 I cap, and then 10 meter in a direction 30 degree west of north. So we know that this is nothing but west and this is nothing but south. So over here next displacement is given as 10 meter in a direction 30 degree west of north. 30 degree west of north, that means at an angle 30 degree with respect to north towards west. That is the meaning of 30 degree west of north. So this angle is nothing but 30 degree, and this magnitude is nothing but 10. Our aim is to express this one in terms of I cap and j cap, so we can resolve this one into its components. So component of 10 along this direction is nothing but 10 cos 30, and we know that this cos 30 is nothing but root 3 divided by 2, so we'll get us something but 5 root 3. Like that we can find out the component along x-axis, that is 10 sine 30. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, so we can take that is equal to 5. So if you are adding the total vector, that is 10 along the I cap, then 5 root 3 along j cap, and minus 5 along the I cap. So we can take it as 10 I cap minus 5 I cap and plus 5 root 3 along the positive j cap or y-axis. So 10i minus 5i, we can take it as something but 5i cap plus 5 root 3 j cap. This is the resultant vector. So whatever the answer right now, what we are getting is the net displacement. In question they are asking the unknown direction and the magnitude. There is a third time she displays, so that it returns to the initial position. That means if you are adding some unknown displacement s with it, so that its net displacement will be equal to 0, because it is given that is coming back to initial position. So you can write the unknown displacement should be equal to nothing but minus 5 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap.